Out of the gym, shoot everything but the rim. All of my bitches a team.
What's up, guys? It's
Kiari. Hey, everybody.
and today we're going to be doing a slime collection. So let's get right to this video. Okay, guys. So the first slime we have is this.
Okay.
This pink color. It's like pink and there's glitter in it, and it's real pretty. But y'all probably think it's orange through the camera because it looks orange through the camera, but it's really pink. Just like this bracelet looks orange, but it's really pink. See? And it's really pretty, and it doesn't stick to your hands like that bad.
Yeah, it just stick hands a little.
It doesn't leave any residue.
Let's start with these first.
It doesn't leave no residue on your hands. So, yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
So, the next slime we have are these little things. These are just one, but we didn't have enough of the big containers like this to put it in. So, we just put them in these little ones.
I can't ever open it.
So, this is green.
This is green
with,
too,
with
but
sparkles.
it's liquid.
This the same slime.
Wait,
It's the same slime. It's the same slime.
so you put it all. I think this is sticky.
It's the same slime. This one leaves color
Everybody
on your
smell.
fingers.
It do.
Smells good.
It do leave color on your finger.
Yeah, but the other ones don't leave. I don't know. I think I put too much of the food coloring in this one.
Look, guys, smell it. It smells good.
Kiara, you can't smell through the camera.
I know, but I'm just going out like that.
But look, if other than
Where's the other one? Wait, so you put them.
Other than the color leaving on your fingers, it's a good slime. It's sticky, but that's how I like my slime. You see the gold glitter, and silver
Let's start
glitter.
with this one now.
Alright, so we're gonna do this one next. Okay, so
We already done that.
no, we did it.
Yes, we did.
No, we did it. Alright, so the next one is this blue slime. It has silver and gold glitter. But this is blue slime, and it's gold and silver glitter in it. You can see. It's really pretty. Smells good. But it's like real strong because I put like this Bath and Body Works hand soap in it. Yeah, it smells good. It smells good. And
It do stick though. Like,
It's
not that
sticky.
bad.
it's sticky, but it doesn't leave color on your hands like the
other
green,
ones.
like the green. But other than the sticky,
Sticky.
other than the stickiness, it's okay. And I really like it. Do you like the slime?
No.
You don't like playing with the slime, but it's okay.
So we'll start with this
It's
one.
okay. So next slime,
Alright. Is this one? This is sticky too. It's like horrible. It's horrible.
this is the.
Horrible one.
Alright, so next one is this orange gritty slime.
Yeah, it has number balls in it.
And it has Orbeez in it.
Maybe?
Nobody likes to play with this slime just
I
because
do sometimes.
some people say that it feels weird. But
Yeah, it do.
it has glitter in it, and it has Orbeez. If y'all can see the Orbeez. Oh, let go.
I can't. It's like the
If y'all can see the Orbeez, like,
the
I
other
don't know how I can
cover.
see. Nobody likes to play with this one really because the Orbeez, when I put the Orbeez in it, it made it like sticky and stuff. But I like to play with it because it's sticky. Yeah, it feels weird.
Yeah,
and
it's like
everything.
poppy and all that stuff.
It's orange, I guess. I don't know what you call it, but it looks orange in the camera, but it's like red. It's actually red.
You see all of this, like, it's like, you can't usually see the color. This is actually delicious.
But other than all the stickiness, this is a good slime. It feels good and everything.
Yeah, but it's not.
It's
It's
just
sticky.
really sticky. And the last slime we're going to show you purple slime. It's with glitter in it.
Anyway,
It smells good. It has silver and gold glitter. All of the slimes have silver and gold glitters in it, but
so this looks like
this. Okay, so this is the slime. It's really pretty, and it looks great when it's not in the light. But I think that's okay because purple is my favorite color in the whole video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you in the next one.
and comment down below. What's your red color?
Yeah, what's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
I think like how this one is it's like violet and all that stuff.
That's not violet.
It's
Violet purple.
it's like violet paint though. It's like violet is like shiny all that stuff. I like that shiny stuff. But she do got on my favorite bracelets.
My favorite color is purple. It's regular purple.
Hold up.
So I hope you guys this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.